In this video, I'll show you how to delete all WhatsApp chats in one click. So if you want to permanently delete all your WhatsApp chat at once, then here's the real guide of how you can do this. But before I start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Was not to delete all your chat in one click. You just need to open up the WhatsApp application from your Android or iPhone, and from the home page, go and tap on the settings button at the bottom right, and then scroll down and tap on chat here. And inside this one, if you scroll down, you'll get to see the delete all chat. You just need to tap on this and make sure to delete your message history on this iPhone, and also delete all send and receive medias. You just need to select your country first and then go and enter your WhatsApp phone number. And right after that, you just need to tap on delete all chat. This might send a verification code, and once you have entered this, all your chat will be deleted from your WhatsApp. And this is how you actually can do this process. Hope you find it very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.